the simplification of CFG. So now we'll see the normal forms of CFG. So the normal forms of CFG are obtained when you are applying some restrictions on the RHS of a CFG. So there are two normal forms of CFG, which are Chomsky normal form, which is in short written as CNF, and Greibach normal form, which is written as GNF. So when do you say that the grammar is in the CNF? Here is a CFG, that is a context-free grammar, is in CNF, Chomsky normal form, if all the production rules are of the form A derives capital BC or small a. That means on the RHS, you should have two non-terminals or a single terminal. So then we say that the production is in CNF. That is, RHS contains either two non-terminals or a single terminal. Example, suppose here S derives small a or capital AB, and A derives capital AB or small a, and B derives B. You can observe all the productions in the grammar are in CNF. So we'll see the theorem on CNF. For every CFG, there is an equivalent grammar in CNF. So first step, remove the null, unit and useless symbols by applying the previous theorems. We have seen all the three theorems. And step 2 is eliminate the terminals on the RHS. If more than one terminals are there, that terminals you have to eliminate. Next, step 3 is restricting the number of variables on the RHS. So we'll see one by one how these steps can be applied to convert the CFG into CNF. So first example, if you see, find the grammar in CNF. So S derives small a, capital A, small b, capital B. A derives AA or A derives A. B derives A, capital B or B. So now here you have to first simplify the grammar. So here there are no null and no unit production. You can observe there is no null production, so that is some variable derives epsilon, and also there is no unit production, that is A derives single variable on the RHS. So you have to go for checking whether there are any useless symbols or useless productions. Again here there are no useless symbols, so you have to go to the step 2. Next, identify the productions which are already in the normal form. So now you can observe that this is not in normal form. This is you have one variable, one non-variable and a terminal. So it is again not in the form. This is in the normal form. So A derives A is in the CNF. B derives B is also in the CNF. Now consider this production. S derives A, capital A, small b, capital B. So now we will be using the replacement of the terminals by variables in the first step. So S derives CA. So I will be adding the new production CA derives A by replacing this A by CA. So I will be getting this production. So S derives CA, A, and this small b I will be replacing by CB. So that production also I will be adding. And I will be getting this S derives CA, A, CB, B. Now this production becomes A derives, already I have the production CA derives A. So I will be replacing that by CA, A. Now on the RHS of B, again you have AB. So this will be replaced by CA, B. Now the productions which are already in the CNF are these two productions, as well as CA derives A and CB derives B, along with A derives CA, A, B derives CAB. So all these are already in the CNF. Now consider those productions which are not in the CNF. So you consider this production. So this becomes, so this production S derives CA, A, CB, B, I will be converting into a normal form. So I will be considering this as a new production. So I will be considering S derives CA and D, where D is nothing but I will be replacing D on the RHS by AE, where E is nothing but CBB. Now each of these productions are already in the CNF. So how I have done is, the first symbol I have kept as it is, and for the remaining I have considered it as D. And for the D, I have kept the next symbol as it is, and for the remaining two symbols I have added new variable E. So where E derives CBB. So these are the set of productions which will be equivalent to this single production which are in the CNF. Therefore, the required grammar in CNF will be yes, A, B, and I have added the new variable CA and CB, and DE were already DA were also newly added variables, and the terminals we have not added anything, so AB, and the productions will be as derives CAD, D derives AE, E derives CBB, A derives CAA, or A, B derives CAB, or B, CA derives A, CB derives B, and S is the start variable. So next we'll see the grayback normal form in the next video. Thank you.